Each year, the IRS withholds a percentage of your Social Security and Medicare stimulus, which can be determined by understanding the tax rates under the Federal Insurance Contributions Act, FICA. These taxes include old age, survivors, and disability insurance taxes, also known as Social Security taxes, hospital insurance taxes, or Medicare taxes. The rates for each tax are different, and to determine how much is being withheld from each tax in 2023, you need to know the current rates. What are the Social Security and Medicare tax rates? Let's begin with Social Security taxes, which are currently set at a rate of 6.2% for both employees and employers, making the total tax rate 12.4%. As for Medicare taxes, the total tax rate is 2.9%, which is split equally between employees and employers. You can find more information on these rates in Publication 15, Circular E, of the Employer's Tax Guide, as well as Publication 51, Circular A, of the Agricultural Employer's Tax Guide. Additionally, it's important to note that there is an additional Medicare tax withholding rate that must be taken into consideration. The additional Medicare tax rate applies to individuals whose Medicare wages exceed a certain threshold amount, based on their filing status. Employers are responsible for withholding the 0.9% additional Medicare tax on wages paid over $200,000 during a calendar year, regardless of the employee's filing status. Employers must continue to withhold this percentage during each pay period until the end of the calendar year, and there is no employer match for additional Medicare tax. Regarding Social Security, there is a wage base limit that only applies to this tax. This limit is the maximum wage subject to the tax for that specific year, and for 2023, the limit is $160,200. To keep up to date with changes or modifications, you can refer to Publications 15 and 51. Wage limits tend to fluctuate each year, but there is no wage base limit for Medicare. All covered wages are subject to Medicare tax. By staying informed, you can better understand the Social Security and Medicare taxes that are withheld by your employer and the IRS.